Well, just you can see this time that was the second biplane we've now seen this time anyway, which this time that was the Cessna 172 Skyhawk that we just seen came over this time anyway. But obviously, as you can see with the registration G-RROK apparently. So yeah, which obviously, as you can tell, because with this registration here, which used to be GAWDR, which obviously it's not that registration anymore anyway, which is now G-RROK apparently. So yeah, but I think I remember seeing this one anyway, which this one I remember seeing anyway. So yeah, which I do remember seeing this aircraft anyway, because I remember this aircraft anyway, because that came flying past my place before anyway. As I remember seeing it, I think during last year, I think anyway. I can't remember if it was the last time I saw this one anyway, which it was G-RR. There we go. So I can't remember when was the last time we've seen this anyway. Which yeah, it would have been about 1 year ago apparently. So this would have been since last year anyway. So that would have been the last time we've seen it since the 10th of July, and then what's the other date? 27th of August 2022. So yeah, obviously I do remember seeing this one from last year anyway, back in 2022 anyway, when it was the first time seeing the Cessna 172 Skyhawk anyway, the G-RROK anyway. So yeah, that was the Reims Cessna FR.172 rocket Skyhawk, I think anyway. Yeah, it's the rocket Skyhawk anyway. So yeah, but anyway, just you can see, just from here, that's just took off from its base at Bodmin Airfield, just around. So that would have took off at Bodmin Airfield just around 11:05 a.m. this morning anyway. So it would have been around about 11:05 it took off. So it would have been took off at least 11:05 this morning anyway, down at Bodmin Airfield. So yeah, which I think that was the time it took off anyway, just from its base at Bodmin Airfield anyway. So yeah, but anyway, but just you can see just from here, you've flown here just to about between 26 and 25,000 feet anyway. So it's flown here just to about 25,000 feet to 26,000 feet anyway, which it currently just flew from there anyway. So yeah, but hopefully he should be going back to his base at Bodmin Airfield very soon anyway. So yeah, hopefully we'll be heading back there very shortly, in a short time. Hopefully be heading back to his base at Bodmin Airfield very soon anyway. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.